we have passed unanimously the finance bill, and I want to kindly request that now it is now time for the government to continue collecting fees from the constituents in order to make sure that the development agendas that the government has put in place are actually actualized. And I want also to report that as a house, we are together and there is no division at Kiambu County Assembly. We as the county assembly members, we are all working as one, and we call upon those outsiders to ensure they keep off the affairs of the county assembly, because we have in one accord agreed that there should be no more interference from outside of this assembly.
We are fully committed to serve the people, and indeed a lot has been achieved in the last 1 year, but it is very unfortunate that these achievements, which continue to transform the county, has been clouded by these politically sponsored noises that are driven by selfish political interests. We therefore call up all Kiambu political leaders to rise up to the occasion and deliberately work on meeting the expectations of the great people of Kiambu.